Welcome to our iTraxx installation video. Step 1. Concrete a wooden post into the ground about 1.5 feet. Step 2. Install solar panel bracket with 3 wood screws on the side of the post facing south. Step 3. Install camera bracket on the side of the post facing center of the view you want the camera to monitor. Step 4. Install cellular antennas on the side of the box. Step 5. Power camera on by flipping the toggle switch on the opposite side of camera. Step 6. Place camera on the bracket and align holes on the 2 brackets. Step 7. Using 2 provided machine screws, secure camera to camera bracket. Step 8. Place the solar panel on the solar panel mounting bracket using the horizontal bar on the back of the panel. Make sure holes are aligned with the bracket. Step 9. Using 2 provided machine screws, secure solar panel to bracket. Step 10. Connect the solar panel cable to the camera. Your installation should be complete. For more information or any questions, contact us.